And then me really trying to put it on here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another little travel get ready with me. Today we are in Vegas with Revolve. Super excited to be here. So we're actually here for their like store opening. They're opening a store here at the Palm, so that's where we're staying. We're gonna have a fun little weekend, go to Chaos, check out the new store. Tonight's actually the night that we're checking out the new store, so we gotta start getting ready. You guys know it's a whole situation, okay, to get this ready, to go through the transformation. Already got my makeup set up, lashes, palettes, all my face makeup, the new Maybelline lippies, which I'm obsessed with. Got all my brushes set up over here. I literally actually brought this from home this time. This is a little brush holder from e.l.f., but it's my favorite. Usually I just use the cups that come in the room, but I had extra room, so why not? So that's the makeup. Revolve also left a couple little goodies in our room, which I'm really excited about. They have some hair stuff, some body stuff, some face stuff, even some makeup in here. So some goodies to try out. I actually kind of want to try this right now, like right after I take a shower. But yeah, that is what's happening. I've never stayed here. I haven't been to Vegas that many times. Never been to the Palms, but it's really nice so far. This is the view from our room. It's kind of overcast today, but still really cool out here. So today I thought I would do like more of a dramatic smoky eye kind of look. Last time when we were in Cabo, I definitely did more of like a, you know, beachy, no makeup-ish. I say ish because it definitely was like a little glam still. So today is gonna be like super smoky, super sultry. Yeah, night out look, perfect for like going out if you guys are going out this summer at all, or like go to clubs a lot. First I'm gonna take a shower, so that's first and foremost. Then I'll come back and show you guys my skincare routine before I do the makeup, and then obviously my makeup routine. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn your notifications on. I'm gonna be doing so much traveling this summer, so I'm thinking of doing like a ton of these where I take you guys with me wherever I go, around the country, around the world, and do like a little get ready with me for the occasion or for the event or for kind of like the place that we're at. You know what I'm trying to say? But yeah, it should be really fun, so make sure you are subscribed, and if you did like my Cabo one, stay tuned, honey.
Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a flight to get up in. Yeah!
Alright, so starting off with skincare, I think I am really honestly going to try out one of the things that they put in the room. So this is the KNC Beauty All Natural Retinol Infused Eye Mask. It's already going to be nighttime by the time like I finally get ready and actually leave. So I'm okay to use this, although I know they say they don't recommend using retinol like during the day. This is so cute! Oh my god! Wait, is it supposed to go this way? I feel like it's supposed to go this way. Oh my god, this is so cute! I'm literally dead for this right now, and I mean, this is for all my rock stars out there. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit for about like 15 minutes or so and just let my under eyes hydrate. Really important to do this after you get off a flight because flights just dehydrate your skin like no other. So really important to do this and also drink water. So that made me have a water handy dandy right next to me. So sad I forgot to bring my reusable bottle, so don't hate me. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna take those off. Oh, it feels so good on the skin. So I'm just gonna start off with serum. So the one that I brought is this Peter Thomas Roth Peptide 21 Wrinkle Resist Serum. Really good for anti-aging, but they put this one in the room, so I'm kind of tempted to try it. This one is from Boscia, and it's the Sake Hydrating and Brightening Serum. So I think I'm gonna try this one. It looks really pretty, actually. I love trying new skincare, so. Ooh, this is really lightweight. Alrighty, then for my moisturizer, I'm gonna be using the DHC Super Collagen Cream. Again, really, really nice and lightweight. And then, of course, I'm gonna pop some Derma E scar gel on top of any places I have some acne scarring. I didn't really even wash my hair. I just thought this was cuter than my little bun. That's why I have this up here. And then me really exposing myself today. Okay, so then for eye cream, I'm also going in with this DHC product. This is the DHC Concentrated Eye Cream. I also like to hit like right under the brow bone too. So moving on to my makeup, I'm gonna start off with the Physicians Formula 24 Karat Gold Collagen Serum. Wait. Why did I this whole time think this was a primer? This is the serum. Oh my god. Okay, well, anyways, I like it as a primer. So this is, like I said, the Physicians Formula 24 Karat Serum. It's a really pretty lightweight product. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub a dub. And then for my T-zone, I'm going in with my little pore filling stick. This one is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. I've talked about this like literally 1,000,001 times, but it's my favorite for mattifying the center of the face. Super easy to use, and if you get any excess, you can just rub it in. I actually like to have a lot on the nose, so that was actually a good spot, and then down on the chin too. So this helps you achieve like that very mattified center so you don't look oily, but then your outer section is still like really nice and glowy. You can say You guys, I'm so excited. Cardi B is literally performing tomorrow night and we're gonna go see it. I'm so excited. I have never seen her live. Alrighty, so for brows, I'm gonna go in with this guy right here, which is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. I just got my brows done, so they're actually like a lot easier to fill in right now. Just gonna go underneath. Literally cannot recommend enough to clean up your brows with concealer. I like don't even feel like I have the same brows if I don't clean them up. Bam! And then of course, Wow Brow from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This just helps to hold the brows in place and also fill in any extra sparse areas. Alright, then we're just gonna go ahead and prime the lids with some concealer. This guy is from Milani. That makes such a difference. Like, did you see how much discoloration we had under there? This is really when I feel like my best, you guys. My sexiest, when my brows are hella dark and then I have no discoloration. Really my best. And you know the drill. You guys, I'm really liking this little standing up situation here in the mirror. I feel like I'm like really hanging out with you guys or something. Like, you know, like when you just get ready with your friends or something. Which reminds me, I have been actually running into a lot of you guys lately. Just like when I'm out and about, which has literally made me so happy. And it's so weird. Like, I literally feel like we're friends. Like, it's the weirdest thing. Like, it feels like, I don't know, like I know all of you guys, but anyways, I'm getting all sappy. And let me stay. So for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using this guy, an OG Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. You can see mine is very well loved, but like I said, I really wanna do like a little smoky eye action. Ooh, maybe a little bronze in there, like maybe like a touch of bronze, like right on the center or something. But I'm gonna start off with this guy right here, which is called Burnt Orange. We're just gonna take that on a super fluffy brush right here in the crease. And then I'm gonna take this guy right here, which is called Sienna. It's at a really nice warm tone, kind of medium brown, I would say. And I'm gonna take that on a slightly smaller brush right here in the outer corner and just start to blend that up. This is something I really like to do when I'm doing a smoky eye. I take my eyeliner that I'm gonna use. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner. Such a bomb drugstore liner. Super creamy, and I'm just gonna take this, run this along the lash line, and underneath as well, to really get that like very blacked out straight from the beginning. So you wanna use something that's like kind of stiff, and I'm just gonna go in and blend this just a little bit so there's not like a harsh line. So now what I'm gonna do is take this little black shade right here called Noir, and I'm just gonna go on top of that liner that we put down, and also blending up towards the crease. And I still like to keep this in somewhat of the same shape that we put our transition shades down, so I'm kind of like blending it upwards and out. I always feel very like Bella Hadid whenever I do like a smoky eye in this shape, because it's very dark and dramatic, like her style. And then I really love taking like a shimmery shade just a little bit on my finger and packing it right into the center of the lid. This doesn't create like a straight up like halo eye, but when I blend it out, I feel like it just like brings a little more, I guess you could say, like attention to the lid, and it looks so pretty. Yes. And I just added a little bit more black eyeshadow right to this outer corner right here, just to keep that like very like shape. These ones are from Tati Lashes, and they're the TL3 style. I was trying these on just to see how they like fit with this eye look. With smoky eyes, it is kind of hard to choose lashes because you don't want something too overpowering, but you need something that's like overpowering or dramatic enough so that it still shows. Actually, they are really pretty, but I think they're too round. I need something that's gonna be a little bit more like winged out. These are the Tati Lashes in TL7. They're a little lighter, but I feel like these are gonna be better. Okay, so TL7, that's what I'm gonna be using. And in the meantime, while those dry, I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. This mascara is so bomb, you guys. Laura Mercier Caviar Volume. The brush on this is like insane. Oh, it's so good. Ooh, do you guys see how pretty these look? These look bomb. All right, so for foundation, I definitely wanted to go with something that's super long wearing, matte, not gonna get oily or cakey or even like separated, you know? So I chose to go with the Urban Decay All Nighter. You guys know I have loved this foundation for a really, really, really long time. I'm using the shade 7 right now. And honestly, a little of this scar goes a long way. See, look, I literally used like a dot and it has already covered literally like almost half my face. And it's perfect for tonight because this is like my favorite nighttime foundation because it really, really, really lasts all day. It looks so good, you guys. Oh my God. This foundation is so good. My towel is legit about to fall off my head right now. You know what? We're done with the towel. Look at my little bean sprout up there. I'm just gonna brighten up those under eyes a little bit. The Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Brightening Corrector. My under eyes are living right now because I have not been getting much sleep. I love doing this step though because it even kind of fills in like the little divots under the eyes. I'm just gonna blend it in a little bit better with a little concealer brush. And after that, it is time for concealer. So I'm using, again, the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade 140. Bomb concealer, you guys. This is like my new all-time favorite drugstore concealer. It's so good. You guys are seeing like a little shadow under there. That's why it still kind of looks dark, but I promise this is covering everything. Dragging it towards the eyeshadow to just sharpen that up. This foundation and concealer combo is so bomb. Like, my skin is so full coverage right now. I am obsessed. Alrighty, so for cream contour, I'm gonna be using this guy, which is the Wet n Wild contour stick. So you just wanna go ahead and blend that out. And then we're definitely gonna bake because that's going to help my makeup stay on all day long, or all night long, I should say. Literally, I don't think we're getting done until like 3 or 4 a.m. I hear, which is way past my bedtime, but I want my makeup to look bomb still at the end of the night. And I used this Milani Translucent Banana Setting Powder for that. Just under the eyes, in the middle of the face, and then a little bit just with whatever's left over under the contour lines. And while that is going on, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face using this Maybelline City Bronzer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all the baking powder away really gently, being careful not to move the foundation underneath. So I'm going ahead and putting on Luminoso from Milani. This is like such a pretty blush for smoky eyes. Alrighty, and then highlight, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is their loose highlighter in the shade Hustle and Glow. And then I'm gonna put some of that down the middle of my nose and in the inner corner. And I'm quickly going to finish off the bottom lashes, but I'm literally just going to basically do the same technique where I put down this crayon, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. Then go in and blend that out with my little pencil brush. And this gel liner literally will last all night long. It's like insane. And then I'm gonna go in with this lip liner, which is from ColourPop in the shade Curvy. And I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Makeup Shayla ColourPop collection, BFF3. And then I really want to try out this little lipstick right here. This is from Bite Beauty and it's one of their new collections. Oh my gosh, I just realized I have literally something stuck underneath my nail. I really hope that that was not there the whole time. I'm so sorry if it was. That is so gross. Yeah, this is a new lipstick from Bite Beauty. You can see it actually says Los Angeles on there, which I think is so cute. So it's like a whole new collection based on different cities. So creamy. I love this formula. Some gloss. I'm using this one from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the shade Naked Nude. Last step is definitely All Nighter from Urban Decay. Lock it in. 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 Okay, now for my hair, I'm just going to do the quickest hairstyle that I can because I really am running late. So what I do is I take this guy, which is called the American Crew Pomade, take it on my fingertips, rub it around. Honestly, I get like a pretty good bit on here too. And I go in and I slick my hair back. Even the bottom part, you definitely want to get that. And we are going to snatch that hair back. So I'm taking my little brush, running it through all my hair. And getting that gel in there first really helps you to be able to grab every little hair, and even all the flyaways and stuff will actually stay up. Gotta saturate that hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull this into a super tight pony. And then I have this ponytail extension. I got this one from the hair shop, and you literally just, it has these little clips up here. And you literally just clip it towards your hair and then wrap the Velcro part around. And boom, instant Ariana Grande hair. And then you take a little piece and you actually wrap it around to cover that like little band. Then our little friend Bobby is gonna come to the rescue. We're gonna pin these guys in. Oh my God, that hurts so bad, you guys. But that's how I know it's gonna stay. Hair done, literally quickest, easiest hairstyle ever if you have the little ponytail wrap, or if you just have naturally long hair already. I mean, obviously you could do that really quick. The last finishing step that I do whenever I do this hairstyle is I fill in my hairline with this Color Wow. It makes such a difference, you guys, and it's so quick. Look how much of a difference that makes. Like, it literally shrinks your forehead and just makes your hair look a lot more full too. I feel like it just like kind of like puts the finishing touch and perfects the hair. You guys, no joke, I literally just did that hairstyle, this whole hairstyle in like maybe 5 minutes. Love this stuff. L'Oreal Elnet, classic. I rub the bottle on the sides so that my wispies really stay down. Alright guys, okay, so this is the finished look. I actually really like how this little orange number looks. It has a very open back, but I feel like it's also very, 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 very Vegas. So the sunglasses and the outfit were all from Revolve, and then the rings are from Miss Lola, earrings from Bagatiba, and then the bag I got 40% off, girl. Okay. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below, let me know what else you guys want to see. I really am loving doing these like more chill videos though. So subscribe if you want to see more, turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. And you are beautiful inside and out. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next one. Last time. Whoa. Legit, so gone. So bomb. These guys, these are from, oops. Oh my God, my lash, I thought I had lost my lash, but it was stuck to my mouth.